Hey, we are Vital, a Retool agency partner, and this is our Smart Notes editor component for Retool. So, in Retool, building a proper notes management system usually requires combining multiple components manually. Most teams end up creating separate forms, tables, models, editors, and filtering system just to manage group notes or documentation workflow. And creating a modern responsive notes experience inside Retool take a huge amount of development effort. So here, you can see the initial state of component before any nodes data is inserted. Right now, the editor shows an empty workspace because no groups or nodes exist yet. User can directly create a new group from the top section and start organizing nodes dynamically from here. Now once nodes data is inserted into the component, it automatically groups and renders all nodes dynamically. As you can see, nodes are organized into categories like backend, frontend, database, and DevOps. Each group automatically creates its own node section with responsive layouts. The component supports grid and list views, list view, grid view, dynamic group creation, full screen node editing, line node filtering, responsive layouts, rich text style editing, word and character counts, dynamic save and update events. User can also double click to open full screen editor for writing and updating content. Like I show you. Now here is the real useful part. The component dynamically support custom field mapping. So your backend does not need fixed field names. You can map node titles. Yes, this one. Node titles contain group names, dates, and IDs directly from any API or database response structure. Whenever user create, update, or remove nodes, the component automatically exposes the event and update data back in Retool. So you can instantly trigger database update, workflows, queries, or API calls dynamically. So yeah, this basically brings a complete modern nodes management experience directly into Retool apps with dynamic grouping, full screen editing, filtering, and real-time Retool integrations. Thank you.